So, I haven't forgot about the vlog. I am actually just been really busy. Our house was put on the market, but oh, I was trying to get some of this lightning in the background. I don't know if I'll be able to get it. Let's give it a minute here. Yeah, there was a storm coming in. Thought I may be able to pick up. Oh, there we go. Some lightning. Someone dropped. Yeah, so we put the house on the market, and we had a hit today, but or they wanted to see the house, a showing, but then they pulled out like an hour and a half later. So it was devastating. Well, not devastating, but disappointing, but understandable for the circumstances. So I'm not going to share that. That's their business. See if we can't get some lightning. I can't believe there's people that are trying to beat out the storm. So I went out to Malta days at my sister's, got some drone footage out there. It was real windy, man. Shit. Real windy. And the farmers are having the battle about the no wind farms out there. I see signs all over out there. We don't want the wind farms. We don't want the wind farms. It's so windy out there. Why wouldn't you want the wind farms? I mean, you're generating energy. So, I don't know, whatever. It's my opinion. Anyway, it was a good time. So, kids are passed out. Back to Volo, taking the kids to a birthday party.